Have you ever had your car go past its warranty? Is that a good thing or not? I'll let you in on the secret next. Many of today's newer cars list the transmission as either non-serviceable or sealed. Why do dealers do this? Well, the main reason is that they want their vehicles to seem as trouble-free as possible. Many of the new synthetic lubricants on the market can go much longer than the older ones. But here's the problem. Believe it or not, your dealer is not really interested in making your car last. Studies have shown that when the transmission is properly serviced, your vehicle can go well beyond 5 times what they term as the normal car life. This is our BG fluid flush exchange machine. This machine actually pumps in new fluid while the vehicle is running, and the old fluid is pumped out and recirculated. Here at Danco, we have customers that have over 500,000 miles on their vehicle. Why is this true? This is true because they service the vehicle correctly, and that's why it's staying on the road. Here at Danco, we're in business to service your car and keep it on the road as long as possible. Thanks for watching, and join me for more secrets next time.